Oftentimes I have people stop me and ask me, hey, I want an implant, I need an implant, or what's an implant? Let's start very simply, what's an implant? An implant is a way to replace a root of a tooth. That's the simplest way I can put it. The implant is placed into the bone of the jaw and it integrates. That means it basically fuses with the bone and becomes one. Inside the implant is a cylinder that we can place various attachments. If there's a denture, we can put little stick-ups that the denture can snap onto. That's an overdenture. Those are called abutments. Sometimes you can put inside that implant a stick or a peg or a post that you can put a crown or a cap over. So that would be something to replace a single tooth or multiple teeth with multiple implants. But implants themselves were invented to help people who struggle, especially with that lower denture. Full lower denture is a very difficult task for anybody. So if you can get a couple of anchors underneath there, something you can connect to the jaw with, it's a world of difference. So that's what implants are.